Hey everyone, I'm Veronica. Welcome back to my garden. Today we are diving into one of my absolute favorite garden projects, planting up two stunning summer containers. If you want high impact, nonstop color from now until frost, there is one star of the show you absolutely need, and that is the Dahlia. Dahlias make the ultimate dramatic focal point, but to really make a container turn heads, we need a plan. So today we're using the classic design recipe, the thriller, the filler, and the spiller. Let's roll up our sleeves and get planting. First things first, let's talk containers. Because we're packing these pots with a lot of heavy blooming plants, good drainage is a must. Make sure your pots have excellent drainage holes at the bottom so our roots never sit in soggy soil. Here, to these containers, I added pea gravel at the bottom. And then I filled them with premium potty mix. And because dahlias are incredibly hungry feeders, I'm tossing in a good sprinkle of slow release fertilizer, the Osmocote Plus. This gives them a steady stream of nutrients to kickstart that beautiful growth. So the dahlia here are the thrillers, which is they're gorgeous and with the beautiful color, provides the height, the structure, and that immediate wow factor. If you're using medium-sized pots like these, a dwarf or bedding dahlia variety is perfect. It gives you all those massive, spectacular blooms without getting so top heavy that it topples over in a summer breeze. Center it up nicely right where it can command attention. Next up is the filler. These are the mounding plants that weave around the base of our dahlia. Their job is to cover the bare soil, add gorgeous texture, and make the whole arrangement look lush and full. For these pots, I'm using varieties like Smoky Bronze Fennel, Verbena Benariensis, Some Patience Tropical Rose, and Nemesia, Celosia, Vinca, and Alyssum. All annuals that will continue all through frost. And also, they absolutely love the summer sun. They'll stay compact, fill in the gaps beautifully, and keep our local pollinators buzzing with joy all season long. Finally, we complete the look with the spiller. These are our trailing beauties that soften the hard edges of the pots and cascade down the sides like a waterfall. Here I'm using, for this pot, the variegated potato vine. And for the other pot, I'm using a variegated sweet marjoram. I love choosing a spiller with a strong color contrast. A bright lime green or a deep purple vine makes the colors of the dahlia pop beautifully, giving the entire container a professional, layered look. sprinkling more of the Asmakati Plus for beautiful blooms. Give them a nice deep drink to settle the soil, and you are good to go to keep these looking like a magazine cover all summer. Just remember 2 things. Water consistently when the top inch of soil feels dry, and pinch off those spent dahlia blooms regularly. The heading tells the plant to stop making seeds and start pumping out new buds. And here are my dahlias and all my annuals all potted up, and they look beautiful. That color really pops, and the smell, oh, it's delicious. What colors are you planting in your containers this year? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this project, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more garden inspiration, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy planting!